Jason cut the rim off a bucket, filled it with seawater, and covered it with a plastic sheet. Then he placed a tin can inside and put a small weight in the center of the plastic sheet. In the sunlight, the seawater turned into steam and condensed into droplets that dripped straight into the tin can. When the tin can filled with fresh water, Jason eagerly drank it. This simple distillation method solved his water problem. Now he thought about food. He took out his fishing line to catch some fish. Just then, a large cargo ship appeared on the horizon. Jason immediately lit a signal flare and waved his hand, shouting for help, but the ship didn't see him at all and sailed right past. In a fit of anger and helplessness, he threw the flare into the sea and sat there. Suddenly, his fishing line began to tug. Jason slowly reeled it in, only to find a shark had eaten the fish. He then realized that several large sharks were circling beneath his lifeboat. Terrified, he huddled silently under the life raft and didn't even dare to stick his head out. He was woken up by a loud noise in the night. Another ship was passing by. Jason quickly pulled out the remaining signal flares and lit two of them, one after the other. Despite the bright light, the ship's crew still didn't see him. Once again, his chance slipped through his fingers. Now he was surviving only on the fresh water he had made. He pulled out his compass again and checked his bearing. Then he realized he was lost. That meant his hope of encountering any ship was now very slim. Despondent, he took out his journal and wrote his final words. Then he put the pages in a bottle and threw it into the sea, hoping that fortune might smile on him. As night fell, some bright points appeared on the sea's surface, but he had run out of flares. He tore pages from his journal. He placed them on a bucket and set it on fire to get someone's attention. When the fire began to die down, he threw the entire notebook into the flames. The fire grew intense, and its light spread far and wide. Now, Jason had no choice but to jump into the sea. He looked up at the sky. His heart was filled with anger and helplessness. Finally, he gave up the struggle and prepared himself to face death. Just as the waves were about to swallow him, a bright light shone on the water's surface. Jason saw a glimmer of hope again. He gathered what little strength he had left and swam upward with all his might.